Can I prophesy?
I witnessed it though.
You witness it?
You tell me to write number. I want the phone number to say. You asked me. Later you asked me to touch the oil and go. I was like, I said,
See the way she is.
how can one of us there to just write the number and go like that? So when I get to myself, I will not go that church again. I will not even go. I stand.
You provoke.
I provoke. I said I will not go that church again.
Power.
4 years I've been in this mess. I won't go to that church again. Then I met one man that's been a just a man.
Well, there was a church.
And then I told him I won't go to that church again. He said, no, go. Go. You don't know what man of God has. I'm not going again. Lo and behold, this thing happened on Thursday, Friday, Saturday. One number that just called me and looked at him is the one. I said, you come here. I refuse to pick it.
He's the one.
He's the one.
He called you. He's the one.
He's the one. I looked at it. I said, I will not pick.
You got to provoke.
I just did provoke. If you want to, when you do traditional wedding, you try and come and meet me.
You say, wait. Come and sit on the altar. Give my microphone to me.
I said when I do traditional wedding, you try and come and meet me. Now you are calling me. You will not call. You will try and come. And when I looked at the phone again, it was 2 seconds missed call.
I wrote the number.
I don't do pick it because I'm angry. That's not what I want. He sent text message again. I deleted it. I don't want to read it. He called me Bernardine. I answered. He said, are you still hot? I said, You asked me, am I still hot? It's my time to shine.